If you have an LLC, you will need to file taxes. And in this video, I will go over how to file your taxes step by step for you with exactly what you need to do. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any business-changing information. And if you stay until the end, I will tell you exactly what you need to do to make sure your LLC taxes are filed on time and without penalty. Let's get after it. It is essential to know how to file your taxes correctly so that you can avoid penalties, avoid fines, and avoid IRS knocking on your door. I am going to take you through this step by step on how to file your business taxes. Step 1. Choose the right tax form. This is mission critical. You always want to make sure that filing your business taxes for an LLC starts with the right form. If you are the only member of your LLC, you will file your taxes using your personal income tax form 1040, and you will include a Schedule C. However, if you are an LLC that has multiple members, you will file your taxes using Form 1065, which is a partnership tax return. Step 2, gather all your financial documents that are necessary. Bank statements, receipts, invoices, all financial records to make sure you're filing your taxes accurately. These documents will help you identify both income and expenses. Step 3, calculate your income and expenses after gathering all the financial documents you need to calculate your LLC income and expenses. Subtract your expenses from revenue to arrive at your net profit. This is literally how you figure out how to calculate your tax liability. Step 4. Complete Form 1040 or Form 1065. If you are the only member of the LLC, it's going to be Form 1040. If you're a multi-member, Form 1065. You will need to report your LLC's net income on Schedule C if you are a single member LLC. Please do not forget that. If you are a multi-member LLC, you will file your 1065 and use Schedule K1 so that you can allocate your profit and loss. Step 5, pay your taxes. After calculating your taxes, you will need to pay the amount that you owe IRS or your state revenue department. You can pay your taxes using multiple methods. You can pay by check, you can pay by credit card, you can wire transfer, you can do whatever you need, just make sure you pay them. Step 6. File your taxes on time. The deadline for filing taxes is April 15th of every year. However, if you need more time to file your taxes and you are a multi-member LLC, use Form 704, which will give you a 6-month extension to file your taxes. If you are a single member LLC, you will need to file Form 4868, which will extend your individual tax return and give you more time to file your taxes. It is the essential part of running a business is making sure you file on time, making sure that you are always in compliance. It is essential to avoid penalties and really get your name off our IRS's list. By following the steps that I have outlined, you are going to be sure that you file your LLC on time every single time. And here's the thing, I told you if you wait till the end that I would tell you how to always make sure that you file your LLC on time to avoid penalties. I would every single year, no matter what, file an extension. Why would I do that? Because what if you get to March 15th when 1065 returns are due for multi-member LLCs? What if you get to April 15th when your single member LLCs are due and you find yourself running out of time? If you have an extension filed already, you can relax and spend time focused on getting an accurate tax return so you can avoid penalties and interest and avoid having your name on the IRS's naughty list. And here's the thing, people. Once you know better, you absolutely have to do better, which is why I want you to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep you updated on all things tax. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I also want to introduce you to a program that I have called Tax Pro Grow. Why? Because you may be looking for a side hustle, you may be looking for a business to run, you may be looking for some extra cash, or you just might be concerned about this whole recession thing, or somebody giving you a pink slip. Well, Tax Pro Grow could potentially be your answer because it's a business that you can do where no one is in charge but you. And here's the great thing about Tax Pro Grow. You don't need to have a tax license. You don't need to have tax knowledge. You don't need to have a degree. You don't need anything but a willingness to learn. And I break down all the steps through my system and process. I literally take my 25 years of experience, all the mistakes I made, all the lessons I've learned, and I packaged it up in a system and process that is foolproof, that you will be able to utilize and start making money. I literally guarantee it. I am going to invite you to join me on this journey of Tax Pro Grow because I want you to start making an endless amount of money, and I want you to be in control of your destiny. If you are interested in starting now, I want you to click on the link. And when you do, you're going to learn everything that you need to know. You're going to learn how to offer the service. You're going to learn how to sell a client. You're going to learn how to do marketing. And here's the other great thing. You will even get leads because we offer that too. People that are willing to pay you for the service that you're going to easily be able to offer because the value is going to be there. So if you need some extra cash, you want to make an endless amount of money, or you just thinking, maybe you just want to do something different, click on that link and join me for the Tax Pro Grow program. I guarantee you, you'll be thanking me for doing so.